If you're looking for a mid-budget smartphone with DSLR-level camera quality that can even outperform an iPhone, then you need to check out this Nokia smartphone. According to leaks, Nokia is packing this beast of a phone with a 400-megapixel DSLR-grade camera and a massive 8500 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia X 500 Ultra 5G. In today's video, we'll dive into all the leaked specs, price, and launch details of this powerhouse. So let's start. Features Nokia X 500 Ultra 5G. Nokia's latest flagship comes with a 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, rocking buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate. And that's not all, you also get Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP68 water and dust resistance. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the camera. This phone packs a mind-blowing 400-megapixel primary sensor, with OIS support. Plus, it's loaded with a 100-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel depth sensor. And for selfie lovers, a crisp 50-megapixel front camera is ready to make your snaps Insta-worthy. Performance and software. Under the hood, this beast runs on the latest Android 16, powered by the insanely fast Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or heavy editing, this phone won't break a sweat. Battery life. Worried about battery life? Don't be. The 8500 mAh monster battery ensures you stay powered for days. And when you do need to recharge, the 125-watt super fast charging will juice you up in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Expect a price tag around $100, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, nothing's official yet, but stay tuned, we'll update you the moment we know.